When I first started coding, I thought programming was about knowing the most frameworks, picking the right language, having a high typing speed. Turns out none of that matters as much as I thought. The engineers who actually get cracked are working on something completely different. Programming is problem decomposition, the ability to look at something complex, break it into pieces that make sense, and build something that holds together under real conditions. That skill has nothing to do with your tech stack and everything to do with how you think. The first elite skill is abstraction, taking a messy, complicated problem and representing it in a clean mental model. Not in code yet, in your head first. The engineers who scale are the ones who simplify without losing meaning. The ones who struggle jump straight to implementation before they understand the problem. Abstraction is also what separates readable code from unreadable code, a function that does too much, a class that means 3 different things, a module with no clear responsibility. These are abstraction failures. Getting good at this takes years, but the work is in every ticket you touch. The second skill is pattern recognition. The best engineers rarely face a truly new problem. They have seen the shape of it before, in a different language, a different system, a different context. The more code bases you touch, the more patterns you collect, and collected patterns are just solutions waiting for the right problem. The engineer who only knows one stack has one lens. The one who has seen 5 has 5. The third skill is estimation, knowing how long something actually takes. This sounds administrative. It is not. Accurate estimation is one of the fastest trust builders on any team. The developer who consistently delivers on time with no surprises is more valuable than the one who ships fast and misses constantly. Estimation also forces clarity. To estimate something, you have to understand it. You have to break it down. You have to identify the unknowns. Most developers skip this and pay for it later when the unknowns show up as incidents. The fourth skill is obsession, not the grind culture version, the genuine curiosity version. The developers who got really good at this cared about it outside of work. They built things nobody asked them to build. They stayed with hard problems longer than was comfortable. Linus Torvalds once said that most good programmers do programming not because they expect to get paid, but because it is fun. That kind of motivation compounds in a way salary-driven motivation never does. Obsession also means caring about the craft itself, not just closing the ticket. Caring whether the solution is good, whether there is a cleaner approach, whether the abstraction holds. That standard raises your floor over time. Without it, you plateau. The fifth skill is writing. In any team larger than one, writing is how your thinking becomes visible. The engineers who write clearly get trusted with more because their work is legible to everyone around them. Writing also forces precision. If you cannot explain what your code does in plain language, you probably do not fully understand it. The act of writing about a system reveals gaps in your mental model faster than almost anything else. The sixth skill is having fun. This one gets dismissed as soft. It is not. The developers who stayed sharp for decades, who kept learning, who built things nobody asked them to build, they genuinely enjoyed the work. The ones who treat programming as a chore get worse at it. The ones who treat it as a puzzle get better without trying. Fun is also a signal. When something stops being interesting, it is usually because you have stopped growing. The elite developers chase the interesting problem, the uncomfortable one, the one where they do not fully know the solution yet.